be a better man. Well, at least the strength to try, anyway. And it took me a while to get there. But I did. We did. We have a great kid to show for it. Before I met you, babe, I was suffocating. And you taught me to breathe. With the help of little Adam, you taught me to love. The way that you both deserve. Everything that I admire about myself, that I respect, every single one of those things came from you. And I love you, babe. I love you from the deepest part of my soul. And no matter what, I will never stop.
Honestly, has nobody realized that I'm missing? Where are my children? My fans? Where's
Jackson? I'm sure that since your row with my ex-maid, that she and Jack are just tripping all over themselves trying to find you.
Welcome back.
What happened?
You passed out
The baby.
with Greenlee.
Joe, what are you doing here?
Me? You're supposed to be in Paris.
No, I'm serious. There are a lot of other patients in the hospital that need your attention more than I do. I'm fine.
Bianca, we just gave birth.
Yes, and I'm tired, but I'm okay. Really.
Keep an eye on her. Okay, sure.
I need my daughter.
I'll go get her. Sit down. I'll be back.
Wait, Zach, don't you need to be with Kendall right now?
I'm not doing anybody any good being camped out outside the OR. I'm gonna let Jake do his thing.
Let's just hope the maintenance people are doing theirs.
That's good to go.
Your kidney was badly bruised. We went in and took care of the internal bleeding, and we were able to...
Don't be mad at Dad. It wasn't his fault. My mom knew about you from the beginning. She still fell for him anyway. Once she realized he had a shot at another chance with you, she let him go.
Was it easy?
No. It was horrible. She begged me to understand, to not be angry. I tried. I never wanted to lose him.
What about Jesse? What did he want?
Deep down, he wanted to be with you guys. But at the same time, he didn't want to leave us. So we made him.
What does that mean?
My mom convinced me that it was best, that he needed to go for his own happiness, and in the end, ours too. He belonged with you. So we pushed him away and staged this big fight. I told him I never loved him. I lied.
in.
You come up with a name yet?
No, honestly, I thought I was having a boy, so Reese and I didn't even consider girl names.
Where is this Reese?
She's still in France.
She's pretty cool. Great architect.
You've met her?
Yeah, a business trip last year was, Caviar's Paris.
Reese is amazing. She's a great mom to Miranda. Can't wait to introduce her to this little one.
Baby girl, a little one. You really do have to find a name for her.
Fine, come up with one then. Sure, you get a vote.
Try it again.
There's gotta be some juice in this thing.
Oh, that's about time. Perfect.
Oh, thank God.
I told you everything's gonna be all right. What?
You're the father, aren't you? Adam, he's back! And he won't let me go!
Blast it, woman!
Let me
Is there nothing you
do? The looks between the two of you? And then when you passed out and you said to Zach she needs you?
She did need me. She was about to fall on the floor.
No. No, it's way more than that. And your voice and the way that you two are acting, I mean, come on. The way that you are with this baby, you're not just some uncle. You're way more than that.
You're right.